No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small, flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2032 3V. First, slide the mechanical latch on the back of the key fob sideways and remove the emergency key. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the gap next to the emergency key slot and carefully pry the cover slightly open. Using your fingers, separate the case. Then use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing down. Put the case back together and snap it shut. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.